Now, when you get your house, you can come out here and we can pick out fabrics. And you have every kind of pink fabric known to man. This is all upholstery fabric. Hey, boo boo. I'm videoing this for Nina. What's going on? Tell her I'm about to send her video. The yellow bag is hers with the gray vacuum. Of the car, they went crazy. Aisle or Pete. When she said, this is so pretty. I mean, now this what I want. Exotic hides. Ooh. Ooh-wee. And here's all your pink Asian right here, boo-boo. Woohoo. It's just a sea of pink.